Hi, my name is Loni Lewis, and I work for my own company, Bar Black, and we are at Tandem Coffee and Spirits today, and we're going to be making the Southern Standard Martini. The Southern Standard Martini is going to start off with extra dry vermouth. We're going to go in with 0.75 ounces of the extra dry vermouth. And then we have our Bombay Sapphire Premier Cru, which has like essence of lemon. It's delicious. It's great for martinis because then you don't have to express any lemon on top. You already have that great lemon flavor inside the gin itself. So we're gonna go with 2.75 ounces of our Bombay Sapphire Premier Cru. And that is it for the spirits in this cocktail. But the garnish is the fabulous part of this cocktail because we're gonna be using some collard green stems. And the collard green stems are one of those things that are thrown out the most in households after they're finished, making their delicious pot of collard greens. They just throw away the stems, but you can actually pickle them and they make a delicious garnish for your martini. So you make sure you stir that, get it nice and ice cold. We have our glass here, put some ice in it so the glass is cold as well. All right, and let's strain this out. And we're gonna garnish it with our delicious pickled collard green stems. And there you have the Southern Standard Martini.